Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Glue. So I just wanted to do a really quick video on how I made the dangles for my glue bottles. So I've been watching videos and I was all prepared to string the beads and do everything. And I was at Hobby Lobby and I found these. These were in, I think, the birthday section. I think they were princess party beads. And I thought it was six for $99. Excuse me, 99 cents. Anyway, so I thought, what a great deal. I can take them off the string and look how many pink pretty beads I have. So I got home and I cut it and to take it off. And I'll show you. So, and they are soldered or fused to the string. So look, nothing, they don't fall off, they don't do anything. And I thought, okay, well, now what do I do? And then I thought, let's just try it. So all I did was take two strings to whatever size I wanted them to be, and I kind of tried to line up the way I did the beads. So if we just have the larger beads at the end or whatever you want, just two little ones here, just so it's sort of lined up. And then all I did is I took this pin I have, and I know everyone says they have to be stainless steel. I don't know if this is stainless steel. This is from Hobby Lobby in the sewing section. Um, and all I did is put the pin right down on the string and pull it up, just like that. And I did the other one, so all I'm doing is, I don't know if you can see on the camera, I'm just trying to push it right into the string. And there you go. And then I put a little earring back. And like if this is too long here because I didn't line it great, so just trim it. And that's it. And I did glue the little earring back that I had. And it's just a little plastic one. And now you have a dangle. And I mean, that's pretty easy, no stringing, nothing. So I made another one. This one, because there, I didn't, what did I use this pearl? It's called a pear pin, I think. I'm trying to get it off here. Okay. So all I did is, you know those little rubber bands? I think that they use them when you do those really, really tiny braids. So it's a really thin little rubber band. I took three strands and I just wrapped a rubber band around it and left a piece of it and put it on this little safety pin. And you could do any pin, but this is perfect and it fits right through the hole of this one's a Fabitac, but I also have the 3-in-1. They're the same company. And then you have a cute little dangle for the, now this doesn't serve the same purpose as the pin in the glue, obviously. This is just decoration on the top, but I thought it was just kind of pretty. And so since it's so quick, and then these are also from Hobby Lobby, and they are in the wedding section, and they just come individual. Here, I'll see if I could get that off for you. And I don't remember the price, but I don't think it was much. So I guess they're like chandelier, supposed to be like chandelier crystals, but they're plastic. And this is how they come, just a strand like this with already the ring. Here, I don't know if you could see the ring on it. And then you can add it to anything and then just hang it. This would even be pretty like in a journal on a string or something. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that quick little idea with you that just came up by accident, but I think works really good. So I'm sure they have other colors there. I don't know which, and I'm sure you can find them around. I don't know how to tell if they're going to be attached or not because I couldn't tell in the store. But I guess, yeah, they don't move at all. So that would be the way. But anyway, have fun making some easy, quick dangles. It takes less than a minute, and have some fun. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.